Hi, I'm Leo and welcome to School Dummy. In this video, we'll be going over 3 best free resources to learn React in 2020 and also 5 best YouTube channels to learn React. Alright guys, at the end of this video, if you think the video was helpful, please hit the like button, and if you have anything to say or any questions, just leave a comment, and if you're new, please consider subscribing for more updates. Alright, we're going to start with the 5 best YouTube channels to learn React. So if you're a beginner and you really want to understand the basics of React, one of the best channels to do that is Code Evolution. Now this channel is almost about JavaScript library and frameworks, and my best playlist here is React JS tutorial for beginners. So if you're just starting out, I will advise you go through this playlist. Alright, next up is the Net Ninja. Now when it comes to web development, the Net Ninja is one of the best channels, and here you're going to find great videos on React JS. Next up is Travesy Media. Now this is currently one of the best web development channels, and he's a great teacher. I mean, when you listen to him explain things, you'll understand why he has over 1 million subscribers. Alright, next up is Free Code Camp, and here you'll find good videos on React JS. So when it comes to project, if you're more or less a project person, you might want to check out Coding Addict. So here he takes project-based approach to React JS. Alright, like I said, YouTube is one of the best free resource for learning anything. Now apart from YouTube, if you want to really understand React, then another place to do that is the official React documentation, and that is reactjs.org. so here you're going to find all there is about React. You're going to see projects and everything. So this is the official documentation of React. Alright, another place to learn React is W3 School. Now when it comes to web development, this is one of the best websites to learn anything that has to do with web development, and here you're going to find everything there is about React, from the basics to the advanced part. Alright, another great place to learn is Solo Learn. Now one thing with Solo Learn is it's more or less you learn and then they ask you questions to help you understand what you've learned. Alright guys, thanks for watching and do have a lovely day.